Iulia, and as you probably know already, or maybe you don't, I graduated last year from architecture from BA. BA means Bachelor of Arts, and this is the first stage in the process of becoming an architect basically. So I decided to do this video for all of you newbies out there who have so many questions about architecture and whether you should or shouldn't study architecture, and I'm gonna talk to you about how it was for me during uni, how it was when I started, what you should know, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, and stuff like that. Let's get started and get into the video. Preparation. First step. If you're applying to UK for university, you will need a portfolio with drawings, a personal statement and an English exam, obviously. Basically what I'm saying is that you are quite lucky and you don't have to take an exam. For example, in Romania, where I'm from, you have to take an exam in order to get into university. It's not that easy. People usually take private lessons with, I don't know, 1-2 years before their actual exam, so they start quite early and they take private lessons for drawing and descriptive geometry. These are the two tests that you will have to take in order to get into uni. So I obviously took those two classes as if I was going to university in Romania. I wanted to make sure, just in case, I wouldn't get into university in UK, I wanted to have it like a backup so I can apply to university in my home country. But honestly, if you want to come to UK for your studies, it's pointless to study descriptive geometry. Why I'm saying this is because you won't use it at all. You don't need it in university at all. It's just pointless and it's so expensive if you're taking private lessons. The drawing lessons part is better. It can help because you can do and you can get a bit of advice from your teacher about your portfolio and things that you should include in your portfolio for your university application. So the drawing course, drawing private lessons is a bit more useful. Is that somewhere right before you're starting university and you're thinking, what should I do today? Maybe I should get ready a bit for uni, try to learn something, I don't know. I know that I used to be like that before uni. I was like, how should I get ready? A tiny bit. I still want to relax, but maybe if I can get ready for uni a bit today, I would do it, I don't want to waste 3 months of my life, 3 months of summer of doing nothing. I know that I was like this and I wanted to get ready a bit. So if you want to prepare like I wanted to, but I didn't know how and what to do, my advice for you would be to have a look on YouTube for some tutorials and try to learn a bit of SketchUp. It's gonna be a game changer and it's gonna help you so much during university. And not only during university, I think during your whole entire career in architecture. To be honest, I wasn't expecting people to use so much SketchUp in real life and real professional life. It's crazy. Another good thing that you can do is to have a bit of a play in Photoshop, because you will have to do so many sheets and all those things. You will have to do them in InDesign actually, but for your first year, Photoshop is a good thing to start with, and it's going to be extremely helpful for you if you already know how to create some sheets and how to add some text to some drawings and just to familiarize yourself with how Photoshop works. Well, maybe now you're thinking how my first few months are going to be. Well, the first few months are really easy. They're just for you to get used to the place. You will have to do a bit of work, obviously, but it's just for you to get accustomed to university life and the people and make friends, and they will actually give you quite a bit of time for this, so don't stress about it. At the beginning, what they will teach you is what diagrams are, which is so funny now, and I'm thinking, the diagram. Everyone knows what's a diagram. So that's gonna be your first lesson, what's a diagram. And then they will teach you how to do a bit of site analysis using diagrams. So that's easy and fun. Very easy. Now you're probably thinking, what will I need for university? And I think we talked about this subject in my previous videos, but anyway, I'm gonna mention them again. Well, I wouldn't invest in too many things when you're just starting university and before you're starting uni, because they will provide you with a list of everything that you need. But some must haves, let me say it like that, would be for you to buy some sketchbooks, some pencils and pens. They should be really good quality ones, some highlighters. I would invest into some highlighters, and you will need some things for model making. I would invest in a cutting mat, in a knife, scale ruler, and I think that's it. That's everything that I would buy. For portfolios, well, in first year they will require you to print absolutely everything that you're doing, and then at the end of the year you will have to submit a portfolio with all your work. The thing is, you will have to invest in this portfolio. It's quite expensive. It's around 50-60 pounds an A1 portfolio, which is quite a lot, and you won't use it at all. So if you can buy a second-hand one from your colleagues, I don't know, the older ones, just use their portfolio, because after the first year you won't use it absolutely at all. You will have to hand in everything on your computer, and yeah, it's just useless, and then you won't have place to store it or where to put it, and it's just a mess. It's better to not get attached to things, and then when you don't need it anymore, just sell it to someone else. And the last one, tip number 5. As I was saying before, just relax, don't be too stiff and too precise in your first year. Just have fun with your project and don't take it too seriously, because it's the time for you to get used to the place, to get accustomed, to get to know people and make friends. So don't be too stressed, and take everything easily, and use this time to learn new things, new skills, to learn Photoshop, to learn SketchUp, to learn CAD. Take this time to learn whatever piece of software you want, because now is the time to do so. And just enjoy, because first year doesn't count in UK. Don't do it as I did it before. In my first year I was so stressed. I was like, oh, I need good grades, but who cares? Because okay, well, you need to pass, but who cares, because the grades from your first year, they don't count towards anything. So just relax, enjoy life, because you will have time to stress about it in your third year and after that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video and my tips for newbies in architecture. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below, or contact me on Instagram or Facebook, wherever you want. I absolutely love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because it absolutely helps me a lot. And I absolutely love when I see those notifications on my phone with la la la, subscribe to your channel. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!